If your Oral-B Braun toothbrush isn't charging, it can be frustrating, especially when you place it on the charger and see no light or response. You might assume the battery is dead or the toothbrush is broken, but in many cases, the issue is something much simpler. Charging problems can happen due to poor contact with the base, buildup of water or residue, a faulty outlet, or even just needing more time on the charger. Since these toothbrushes use inductive charging, there's no direct plug, which can make it harder to tell if everything is working correctly. The great thing is that most charging issues can be fixed with a few quick checks, and you can often get your toothbrush working again without replacing it. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the charger is properly plugged in and the outlet is working. Step 2. Clean the bottom of the toothbrush and charging base to remove residue. Step 3. Place the toothbrush correctly on the charger and ensure proper alignment. Step 4. Leave it on the charger for at least several hours to rule out a drained battery. Step 5. Try a different power outlet to eliminate power issues. Step 6. If it still doesn't charge, consider replacing the charger or checking battery health.